In the previous video, we learned step-back prompting. Now, let's dive into chain of thought reasoning and see how LLMs solve logic puzzles step by step. We're diving into chain of thought reasoning, a technique that gets AI to break down its thinking step by step to solve tricky logic puzzles like this one. First, we're importing the tools we need: the Llama LLM, a prompt template, and a way to chain everything together. Here, we're setting up our language model. We're using Llama 3.2, dialing the temperature down for more focused answers, and capping the response length. Now, let's define our logic puzzle. We're storing the question as a variable called puzzle. We're adding the full puzzle text here, asking how many eggs 5 hens lay in 3 days based on the info given. Next up, we're building a prompt template. This is where we tell the AI exactly how we want it to think. We're setting up the template to take our puzzle as input and asking the model to solve it step by step, explaining its reasoning. Right here, we're plugging in the actual puzzle text, so the model knows what to solve. And this is the magic phrase, let's think step by step. It nudges the AI to break down its logic, just like you would on paper. Now we're chaining our prompt and model together, then running the whole thing with our puzzle as input to get the AI's answer. Let's print out the original puzzle, then show the AI's step-by-step reasoning. This is where you see chain of thought in action. Quick tip, always use let's think step by step for tough reasoning tasks. It helps the AI stay clear and accurate. Let's check the output. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.